Nakule, Gokule, Chakule. Sorry, Bhima.
Sir, I am right here.
Sukuta.
Sir, I am present, sir.
Gaura. Gaura. Hey, what's happening? He's sleeping right in front of me.
Sir, present, sir.
Huh? What present are you talking about? Right under my nose, you are sleeping in my class. How dare you? Tell me. Huh?
Sir, it's my mistake. I am really sorry. Please leave me. Please, my ear is paining.
You want me to leave you? Stand up. Stand on this bench.
Yes, sir, I'll do as you say. But please leave my ear.
Now stand in the same way till the class ends. And you, Sukuta, the poetry that I had taught yesterday, have you studied or no?
Yes, sir. Yesterday's poetry, right? Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, small kids like you. Charlie is Chatur.
Shut up. It is not Charlie is Chatur. It is Chatur Charlie. Okay?
Sir, it's one and the same thing, no? Charlie is Chatur or Chatur Charlie.
You think it's the same thing? So do one thing. Don't stand on your 2 feet. Stand on your 2 hands. Hey, who is snoring now?
Sir, who else can do that? Gaura is snoring.
Hey Bhima, wake him up quickly. Wake him up.
Hey Gaura, please get up. Hey, wake up. Hatti sir is calling you. He's getting angry. Please get up.
Hey you dumb numb, because of you, no one could study in the class. Now listen to me once and for all. Till the time you stop snoring, you will not enter the school. Go, take your bag and go home.
Hey, from where is this sound coming?
Oh, it's her Gaura snoring.
Unbelievable. Gaura is snoring so loudly. Hey Gaura. Hey Gaura.
Hey Dad, why are you shouting? Please don't disturb. Let me sleep. Mom, Dad, you guys are still sleeping? It's 9 a.m. Please wake up.
What? It's 9 a.m.?
Yeah, that's correct. It's 9 a.m. But why are your eyes red? Dad, even yours.
It's because of you. You didn't let us sleep the whole night by snoring so loudly.
Mr. Ranka! Mr. Ranka!
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ranka, have you come to office to sleep?
No, sir. It just happened by mistake.
Mr. Ranka, what do you mean just now? I'm watching you since half an hour that you are sleeping. If you don't wish to work, then go home, okay? You don't need to come to office. Go home and sleep, okay?
Suruma. Hey, Suruma.
Hey, what happened? Why are you shouting so much?
I am shouting because of your son. Today, because of him, I got pastings from my boss.
After all, what's my son's fault here?
Your son was snoring the whole night, and due to that, I slept off in the office, and hence my boss got very angry on me.
Okay. Don't you worry now. I will ensure that he doesn't snore in the night and you don't get disturbed so that you don't sleep in office and your boss doesn't shout at you.
Okay, but what will you do?
You know what? Today I learned something from YouTube. We just need to ensure that he drinks this before he sleeps. And if he drinks before he sleeps, then I'm sure he will not snore in the night. Okay?
Okay. Let's see what magic your YouTube can do today.
Hey Gaura, take this. Please drink this. If you drink this, your snoring issue will be completely resolved.
Are you sure, Mom? Okay, give me. Okay, Mom, I'm going to sleep.
Hey Suruma, it's been long Gaura has slept, but he hasn't snored yet. Suruma, I guess your YouTube magic is working.
Now you got to know how smart am I?
Yeah, of course. I know it all, Suruma. Now let's sleep. Finally, we both will sleep peacefully today. Hey, what happened? Is there an earthquake?
No, it's not earthquake. It's your son who's snoring.
Oh God, again he's snoring. Hey, who is knocking the door in the midnight?
What do I know? You go and check who is it.
Hey Ranka brother, there is a lot of noise coming from your house. And because of that, I'm not able to sleep at all. It's really disturbing.
Sir, what do I say now? My son is snoring here. Even we are tired of all this. Even we are unable to sleep the whole night.
Your son Gaura is snoring. Let me see how he snores so loudly. Oh no, what is all this? He is snoring so badly, man. You know what? This is not a snoring problem. Actually, he is possessed with a soul in his body. We should call some knowledgeable person and check this. Oh no.
Yeah! Who is the one who is possessed here? Sir, he is my son. He is possessed, I guess. Please help us.
Oh, is he the one? I can clearly see that he is possessed. And that is for sure. Yes, he is possessed.
What's in me, sir?
His soul is telling the truth, but the soul doesn't know me. I have the powers to throw him out of this body. I can remove even a pin out of grass. So what do you think you are? Yeah!
What is it that you're talking about?
Auntie, just wait and watch. Show the past. Come on.
What the hell are you talking? Did you call me auntie? You think I'm an auntie? Whom you think you are?
Hey, this is an insult. I can't wait here anymore.
Hey Suruma, what are you up to? Huh? Don't you want your child to recover from this illness? Huh? With lot of efforts, I somehow managed to get him home. And you are insulting him like this? Huh?
Oh, okay. I'll not say anything now.
Sir, you please forgive my wife. Don't feel bad about what she said. Please help us and heal my son.
You seem to me no less than a thief. But still I'll honor your words. I'll help you and treat your son. Don't worry. Om Gulu Bulu Bulu Swaha. Om Bulu Bulu Gulu Gulu Swaha. No. See, the soul is out now. Your son is absolutely safe now.
Sir, thank you very, very much, sir. I am really grateful that you solved my son's problem. Hey Suruma, just see now. Today Gaura will not snore at all. That monk has healed my son in a fantastic way. And he is blessed now.
Okay, let's see.
Hey Ranka, what happened? Why are you looking tensed?
What do I say now? My son snores the entire night. I can't even sleep.
But why?
Listen.
Hey Ranka, do you believe in all this even in this era? Hey Ranka, please go and show him to a doctor. He will certainly help you in this.
Doctor, my son snores really very loudly and that is why we both can't sleep the entire night. Not only that, even our neighbors get disturbed because of this. Please help us.
Is that so? My son, please open your mouth. Hey, he has been given the medicines to snore and that is the reason he is snoring. I am giving you medicines. Please give him after food for 10 days. He shall be alright.
Doctor, you are sure, right? My son will be alright in 10 days?
Just give him the medicines regularly and he will be fine.
Suruma, whatever it may be, but finally our son's snoring problem is resolved.
We showed it to the doctor, and that's why he's healed. Otherwise, because of your superstitions, he would have never healed. Whom you had called earlier? And where does that idiot belong to? Tell me.
Okay, let it be now. Now I have understood that whatever the illness may be, it's the doctors who can help it treat, and not any black magic or something.
Did you subscribe to our channel? If not, then how will you come to know our next video? And also let us know in your comments how did you find this video. And if you like the video, then click on the like button. Also don't forget to share and subscribe. Alright, goodbye. Take care.